The new tires on our G2 Master are leaking air, especially the front one. We will now check what's up with it and if we can fix it. So we just got this package. It's a new tire iron set because the one we have is for bicycles and made of plastic, and the sidewalls of e-scooter tires are really hard, so we needed to get some metal ones. And we also got these rim protectors to not scratch the rims. And we got some valves, bicycle valves, hub caps, valve caps, and a tool to put the valves in. Pretty nice. We have two e-scooters, both with 11-inch tires, and they're made from pretty good nylon or rubber or whatever, but they're pretty grippy, but the sidewall is still quite hard. We got some new tires, 2OVT branded, but these are like concrete. It's like they're 3D printed and not tires. We messaged the Romanian website that we got them from, and they said that we should buy some CST branded tires, of course, which are more expensive, because they're better quality. With the ones stock on the G4 and the ones that we put on the G2 Master, we're quite satisfied with.
So we need this tool, because with a nylon tool it's not good. I need steel, very hard steel.
We also went to the bicycle shop and got some tubeless tire sealant. They had like 20 products on their website, only 3 of them were in store. One was for tubed tires, one was a spray with foam, and this was the third one, which we decided to buy. You have to put this in through the valve, and it should seal all of the holes, which it finds. So if we can't find where the tire is leaking air, then we will test this product.
We put some water and we find the leakage.
So there was something, I don't know, a piece of paper, whatever, stuck between the rim and the tire. Now we took it out, we're going to try inflating it. If it still leaks, then we will have to use the sealant. If not, then it's good because we didn't need to do much to fix it. If the tire you put on your scooter shakes a lot, then, because we don't have any tools to center it or weights like you would on a car, the only way to semi-fix it at home is to deflate the tire, hold the brake, and rotate the tire on the rim, maybe a quarter, and inflate it in the position where it shakes the least. Now it's much better. It shakes a lot less.
We inflate to 1.8 bar.
We also recommend these TPMS system, tire pressure monitoring systems, because they're around 10-20 bucks and they show your tire pressure and roughly your tire temperature, and they're really easy to put on and quite inexpensive. Also, always remember to inflate your tires when they're cold, because when they're warm they show about 0.2 to 0.3 bars more pressure.